Today, I will be showing you how to make this lovely, cheesy, flat baked potato. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. You're watching Lyndon Houston Cooking. If you are new here, my name is Lyndon and welcome to the channel. Thanks for visiting and thanks for stopping by. Let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely treat. That treat I'm going to show you to make is a lovely potato, cheesy, crispy potato. And to do this, these already washed. I'm using whatever potato you want to use. You can go ahead and do so. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to boil these. When they cook, I'm going to press them, but I'll take you through the process. On this side here, I have some water. Just going to go ahead and we're going to put them straight in our water. To our water, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this. Ensure to cover this because what happens is boil quicker and the water go over it. So I want it to cook through. For the cheese mixture, I'll be using some mature cheddar cheese. And then I will be adding some parmesan over this. Probably about 2 spoons of parmesan cheese to this. I'll be adding about half a teaspoon of oregano in that and just give him a little bit of mix. What I'll be doing next, I'm going to put this back straight in the fridge because if you leave it out at room temperature, it's going to get a little bit soft. So the potatoes are ready. One of the things I use to know when they're ready, when the skewers go straight through them. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove them and let them drain a bit. So here I have a tin sheet. I'm going to go on this with some olive oil over this. And this will stop, if there's any moisture in the potatoes, stop it from stick. So we're going to put the potatoes straight down on this. So we have about 5 of them. For this, I'm going to use a burger press. I'm going to go over this like so with that grease paper. Now we're going to push down. So that's what it looked like. And we're going to repeat the same process with this. So over this, I'm just going to go over with a little bit of all-purpose. And this all-purpose also contains a bit of paprika. Just a bit of extra seasoning I'm giving this. So now I'm going to push them straight in the oven, but before I push them in the oven, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil over the top. So just a little bit of drizzle. Alright, so I just remove them back out of the oven. I'm going to go over it with our cheese now. So that cheese mixture that I make with the mature cheddar and the parmesan, we're going to put that over our potato. Spread them out. Okay, our cheesy potato, crispy and delicious, just come out of the oven. So lovely, tasty, and irresistible. So now I'm going to put it on a plate. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave a positive comment.